of today's seminar. Distinguished guests sitting on the dais, and my brothers and sisters from South Asian countries. First of all, I wish you a very happy New Year. First of all, I thank Mrs. Pranati Phukon, Honorable Deputy Speaker, Assam Legislative Assembly, who has spared her valuable time and shared the inaugural function of the seminar. I also thank our Honorable Chief Guest, His Excellency Mr. Krit Kraisity, Ambassador of Thailand to India, for attending the seminar and his valuable suggestions given to his keynotes. I also thank Sri Chandan Brahma, Honorable Minister, Panchayat and Transport, for his all valuable suggestions and support given to organize this seminar. I also thank Sri Pranab Gogoi, Honorable Minister of Handloom and Textiles, Govt of Assam, for his all support and guidance to make the seminar a grand success. I also thank Sri Saulamin, Honorable Minister, PhD and Veterinary, Govt of Arunachal Pradesh, for his valuable suggestions. I also thank Dr. B.K. Gohain, President, Organizing Committee of Sukapha International Madam Mefi and Thai Academic Council, for his welcome address to the August gathering. I also thank Professor Dr. J.N. Phukon, Chairman, Sukapha International, for his elaborate introduction of the aims and objectives of this international seminar. I also thank Mr. Supin Simply, Honorable Deputy Consul General, Royal Thai Consulate General in Kolkata, for valued suggestions. I also thank Mrs. Ambassador Madam for attending this seminar. I also thank Dr. H.P. Saikia, Chairman, Assam Tourism and Development Corporation, for her support and guidance. I also thank Mr. Tharadol Thuangrong, Honorable Commercial Councillor, Thai Embassy in India, for attending the seminar and suggestions given to our organizing committee in time to time. I also thank our all delegates come from abroad and other delegates attending this seminar from various states of Northeast and their thoughtful suggestions given to us. I also thank Sri Sobin Raskua, Secretary Sankadev Kalakshetra, for sparing this International Convention Center to organize this seminar. I also thank MD ASTC, Director Museum, Director DHAH, Director Culture, and for their support and guidance. My vote of thanks shall not be completed if I do not thank our friends from electronic media, press, and their cooperations and suggestions. By these words, I conclude my vote of thanks. Thank you. Thank you all.
Once again.